actuator. And
wind seems
Well,
more that way.
I don't know.
typically when you're flying an airplane, you're deflecting control surfaces in order to maneuver or to reject wind gusts. These deflecting surfaces, all right, make the airplane more vulnerable to being detected by hostile forces.
As we look to try to field next generation UAVs, we find that they're limited by the fact that they're more expensive than we'd like them to be. So to try to slash the weight and cost out of the system, we want to reduce their mechanical complexity. And to do so, we're looking at modern flow control techniques which permit you potentially to be able to control the airplane in flight without the use of any kinds of mechanical surfaces.